going to be showing you how you're going to earn up to $500 for every article that you're going to use a bot to simply write for you. You're not going to need to pay for anything. You don't need any skills or experience, just any device that you already have and an internet connection, and then you're going to follow the simple steps that I'm going to be showing you today in today's video. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure you check out. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. So the name of the website is called Jasper.ai, and it's supposed to be the future of writing, apparently. And basically, this is the ultimate tool for anybody that wants to start making content, start making money online. So what you want to do is to go on over to Jasper.ai now. Instead of going straight to the website first, you're going to go on to Google, you're going to look up Jasper Content Creation, scroll down to the bottom over here, and you're going to see Jasper.ai, but you don't want to click on the website, okay? You're going to scroll down to the bottom and click where you're going to see the free trial inside of here, so you can sign up for a free trial so you can start making money without having to pay for the software. So if you go to the software's main page, you're going to click on the pricing at the top. You're going to see that this tool right here is not that expensive. It's only about $30 to $40 every month. And if you're landing jobs that are going to start paying you over $40 minus your monthly payment, you can easily start making money off of that, okay? That you can complete. So all you want to do is look out for the free trial, and that way you're going to be able to sign up without paying for anything, start making money before completing the free trial. So click right here where it says claim free words. Then you're going to be able to sign up by filling out the information that they're being asked of you. And once you're inside your account, you're going to see your dashboard, and at the bottom you're going to see free video trainings that are going to show you all the ways that you can make money using this software. And today we're going to make money from that, okay, using blog posts. But if you click on templates over here, you're going to see all the different things that this software can do. It can create blog posts for you. It can start creating Facebook ads, Google ads, Amazon product listing, YouTube video scripts. So literally this tool right here can help you start making money with a lot of different features to get started today. So we're going to use it to make money writing blog posts, okay? So all you want to do is go on to the very top, and then you're going to click on documents right here. Then you're going to click right here where it says blog post workflow. Then after that, the first thing you're going to do is enter in the topic of the article you want to write. So the job you're going to get is going to determine the article that you'll write. But let me show you a very quick example of how this works. So let's say you want to make an article about losing weight. You can type in something like the fastest way to lose weight. You can enter in keywords if you want, but all you need to do is click on continue over here. It's going to ask you for the title of your article, so you can create your own title. Or you can click right here where it says, generate ideas. And it's going to basically come up with brand new, fresh titles that you can use for your blog post. So they have the fastest way to lose weight and how to shred pounds quickly and a lot more. And you can just use one of these right here. You can choose which one you want. So obviously, when you start with this, you're gonna have so many options. And the one thing that you just need to remember and keep in mind and really note is that it is important for you to choose the best sounding one, because that will most likely get you the most money. So this is something that you're gonna be able to tell on your own. You're gonna know what is the trend. You're gonna know what's gonna capture people's attention. If it captured your attention, then obviously it's gonna capture other people's attention, and that's why you really need to make the wise decision. I cannot tell you exactly what, because it's going to be different every time. So just make sure you know what captures your attention, so that's what you're going to use to capture other people's attention. If you guys want to know how to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day additionally, make sure you check our description box down below, because we have something amazing there for you guys. So if you guys want to earn even more money, make sure you check out the description box down below. Also, I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us, in case there are videos that you want to see. Make sure you comment that down below, and let's head back. Then it's going to ask you for your intro paragraph. So after the title, it's going to ask you for your intro paragraph. Again, you're going to click on generate ideas right here. It's going to basically write a paragraph for you. After that, you're going to click on the intro paragraph that you like. Again, find something that attracts your attention. If you want to generate more ideas, you can click on generate more ideas over here. All these are original content, so you're not going to find this article anywhere else on the internet. So you're going to go ahead, click on use this one, whichever one that you like. Scroll down to the bottom, click right here where it says open editor here, and you're going to start typing in your first article. So it already wrote the intro paragraph for me. All you want to do is write the first sentence of the next paragraph. For example, we can put the fastest way to lose weight. You can start typing something like this, and the first thing you want to do is then click right here at the very bottom where it says compose and check this out, and it's literally going to start creating an entire article for you. All you have to do is type in the first sentence. That's it. And it's going to write everything else for you. It's a really amazing way to start making original content of your own. Half of them being your own ideas and half of them being the bot's ideas. So you never have to just sit there for hours trying to come up with the next sentence or the next paragraph. All you really have to do is give it a little start, and after that, it's going to do the rest of the job for you. So then you can go down to the bottom, type in the second thing you want to do, then click on compose at the bottom right here. One more time. Again, it's going to start automatically generating the entire article for you. So that's literally all you're going to do. You're going to enter little ideas here and there, and boom, that's it. So it's your idea, but the bot just words the idea and elaborates it for you. Once you're done writing the article, all you need to do is click on back right here. Then you're going to see your very first article inside of your document. And anytime you want to edit it or maybe change something or use it again, you're going to click on it and it's going to open up just like that. And then you can continue typing work on it some more, or even make it a little bit more personal for you. So check this out on the left side. Here is where you can give your article a tone of voice like serious or witty, or if you have certain keywords that you want your article to use. Have this might be important for SEO. You can add in whatever keywords you want the article to have inside of here, and next time you click on compose at the bottom, it's gonna automatically add those keywords inside. So that's all you're doing. So check this out. It literally writes the article for you by simply giving it quick ideas to start off that you came up with yourself. So what you're going to do next is copy your article. Then you're going on Google Docs, create a Google Docs account. And if you don't already have one inside of Google Docs, you're going to click right here where it says blank. And on here, you're going to copy and paste your brand new article. So you'll be able to save it as a PDF and start sending it out to clients and customers that are going to pay you for this. So go ahead, paste your article here at the very top where it says file, click on download mode, and you're going to download it as a PDF file, and that's basically it. Anytime you want to create a brand new blog article, you just have to go back to Jasper, click on the plus icon next to documents, click on blog right here, and start creating your new article. Now, I'm going to show you some websites where you can sell your articles, and the first website is called Upwork.com. So on here, you're going to want to sign up, create a brand new account, and the moment you're logged in, you can click right here where it says find work. Next, click on find work for your skills, search for something like blog writer, blog article. Then after that, you're going to see a lot of blog article jobs that have been posted on here by real clients and real people from all over the world. Some are going to pay you $10, some are going to be $30, are going to pay you $100, and sometimes even $1,000 depending on the job. It depends on how many articles that they want for their website. If you guys are loving this video, make sure that you like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, please don't be shy to comment down below if you're loving our video so far. And if there are any changes that you'd like to see, make sure that you comment them down below too, because we will definitely read them and take note of them. Anyways, let's finish up today's video, shall we? So all you have to do is sign up to Upwork, start looking through these jobs right here, apply, start making money right now. And the second website that you can apply for is called freelancer.com. Again, same thing. Sign up for your free account, browse through the jobs. You're going to look for blog articles, click on search right here. It's going to show you all the blog article jobs listings that have just been posted, so you can check that out. And by the way, if you want to do article editing, you can also do that with Jasper. So all you're going to do is upload the article that they've sent you, and at the very top, you're going to check this out. You can click on fix grammar, and it's going to edit the article, check for any grammatical errors. So you can also start landing article editing jobs that can again pay you over $1,000, over $100 per edit. So that's all you're gonna do. Look through the jobs, pick one place, a bid, and that's it for today's video. if there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.